So here's the plan again. We need to open these two bolts, the pin bolt, and then pry this out. Then we will open the electronic parking brake actuator. I need to open this two bolt.